Hey guys, this is Jeff with Fantom Teardrops. Just wanted to show you guys our new camper we come out with this year. It's called the Badlands. Starting up front here, we sort of made the camper round, give it that old teardrop look. Um, it's going to be standard with the ARB awning and the roof rack. We put the different porch lights on it. They're Euro lights, LED. We put the stripe on it. That's going to be the standard on this the model. It's going to have standard off-road wheels and tires. It's got the torsion axle. It's going to be standard on it. Got your leveling jacks on the back here. You can come around the back. We got your solar panel. It's also going to be standard on this model. We moved the lights up, the tail lights up in the hatch and the tag. It's going to have standard trailer hitch. Let me open the galley up for you. We put a little bit more cubby holes in here for storage. You got your spice rack. You can put bread or whatever you want to put up there. Got a little dividers and stuff in here. We put the, it's going to have standard, the hardware on the cabinets. This in here has got your 12-volt plug in, and then the two USB ports, and then your 110 outlet there. And this cubby hole here, I made this where if you ever have a 1000 Jackery, it'll store in there. For like if you're boondocking or something, you'll still have your 110 hook up there. It's going to have standard 2 utensil drawers. All the drawers is all self-close. Got a little cubby hole right there. And the cooler drawer, way I built the stove fit back behind this, and you can just move it out on the the countertop or the picnic table, and then the cooler will be here. On the inside, we got your recessed lights, 4 recessed lights on top, and then it's going to have standard ceiling fan. The inside's got 4 cubby holes on each side with a standard cup holders. We put that in there. You have your little tape, for a heater or your laptop or something put in there. You got your USB ports, and the 12-volt. Turn this on, 12-volt. It shows what the battery is, and then 110 outlet. And it's got storage like the rear up at the front here. And it's got your solar controller and your power box is over there in that little cubby hole. And up front, we put these lights on. Their touch. You can dim them or brighten them. Just hold it. And it's got a USB port in the bottom here. You can plug up your phone and put it in your mesh little pouch here. And at the front here, it's going to be the standard diamond plate. You got 3 colors to choose from on that. It's got your expanded metal for storage. Got your solar battery. It's got cutoffs. You can cut the camper off. And over here on this side, it's got one for your solar panel. Like all the rest of the campers, you got your removable trailer hitch and your double wheel jack. I hope you guys like the new Badlands camper. If you have any questions, just give us a call here at the shop. Hours from 10 to 6, Tuesday through Saturday. Hope you guys like it, and hope to hear from you. Thanks.